Life is a journey filled with both triumphs and challenges. Each step we take, every decision we make contributes to the tapestry of our existence. It's a constant ebb and flow of experiences that test our limits and shape who we become. The highs and lows, the victories and defeats, all play a part in our personal growth. But amidst the uncertainty, there is one constant: our mindset. It is the anchor that keeps us grounded and the compass that guides us through uncharted waters. It's the lens through which we view the world, the driving force behind our actions, and ultimately, the key to unlocking our true potential. Our mindset shapes our reality, influencing how we perceive and interact with the world around us. A strong mindset isn't a gift bestowed upon a select few. It's a quality that anyone can develop with intention and effort. It's not about genetics or luck. It's about the choices we make every day, the habits we form, and the attitudes we adopt. It's a conscious decision, a commitment to cultivate an inner strength that empowers us to navigate life's obstacles with resilience and determination. This inner strength is built through perseverance, self-reflection, and a willingness to embrace discomfort. It's about embracing challenges as opportunities for growth, viewing setbacks as temporary detours, and believing in our ability to achieve greatness. Every obstacle is a chance to learn, to adapt, and to become stronger. This essay is an invitation to embark on a journey of self-discovery, to unlock the power within you that can transform challenges into stepping stones and dreams into reality. It's a call to action to explore the depths of your potential and to harness the strength that lies within. It's about understanding that you are not defined by your circumstances, but by how you respond to them. Your reactions, your choices, and your mindset are what truly define you. Get ready to discover the transformative power of a strong mindset. Embrace the journey and let the power within you shine brightly, guiding you towards a future filled with endless possibilities. We all face challenges, big and small, every single day. It's an inevitable part of the human experience, something that unites us all. But what separates those who crumble under pressure from those who rise above and thrive? The answer lies in their mindset, the lens through which they view their circumstances. Individuals with a strong, resilient mindset view challenges as opportunities for growth and self-improvement. They understand that obstacles are not roadblocks, but rather detours on the path to success, guiding them to new routes and perspectives. They embrace discomfort, knowing that it's often in those moments of adversity that we discover our true strength and potential. On the other hand, a fixed mindset views challenges as insurmountable obstacles, impossible to overcome. It focuses on limitations, doubts abilities, and shies away from discomfort, avoiding the very experiences that foster growth. This negative internal dialogue becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy, holding individuals back from reaching their full potential and achieving their dreams. The good news is that our mindset is not fixed. It can be changed and developed. It's malleable, capable of being shaped and strengthened through conscious effort and intentional practice. By adopting the principles of a growth mindset, we can transform our relationship with challenges and unlock a world of possibilities, paving the way for a brighter, more fulfilling future. History is replete with examples of individuals who have defied the odds and achieved extraordinary things by harnessing the power of a strong mindset. These individuals have shown us that the human spirit is capable of remarkable feats when driven by determination and resilience. Their stories serve as powerful reminders that success is not reserved for the privileged few, but rather for those who possess the unwavering belief in their ability to overcome adversity. It is this belief that propels them forward, even when the path is fraught with obstacles. Consider the story of Oprah Winfrey, who rose from a childhood marked by poverty and abuse to become a media mogul and global icon. Her journey is a testament to the power of perseverance and self-belief. Her journey was far from easy, yet she persevered, fueled by an unshakable belief in herself and her vision. Despite numerous setbacks and challenges, she never wavered in her pursuit of her dreams. Or take the example of Michael Jordan, widely regarded as one of the greatest basketball players of all time. His story is one of relentless dedication and an unyielding desire to succeed. Jordan's path to greatness was paved with countless setbacks, including being cut from his high school basketball team. This could have been a devastating blow, but he chose to see it as an opportunity to improve. But instead of succumbing to doubt, he used these experiences as fuel, working tirelessly to hone his skills and prove his doubters wrong. His story is a powerful example of how resilience and hard work can turn failure into success. These stories, along with countless others, highlight the transformative power of a strong mindset. They show us that with determination and perseverance, we can overcome even the most daunting challenges. They demonstrate that success is not a destination, but a journey marked by both triumphs and setbacks. Each setback is a lesson, and each triumph is a testament to our resilience. It's in those moments of adversity that our true character is revealed, and where a strong mindset becomes our most valuable asset. It is this mindset that enables us to rise above our circumstances and achieve greatness, no matter the odds. One of the most empowering shifts in perspective we can make is to view failure not as an end, but as a necessary stepping stone on the path to success. It's easy to become discouraged when our efforts don't yield the desired results, but it's in those moments of perceived failure that we have the greatest opportunity for growth. Every setback, every mistake, and every obstacle we encounter provides us with valuable lessons that we can carry forward. It's through these experiences that we gain a deeper understanding of ourselves, our strengths, and areas where we need to improve. By reframing failure as feedback, we transform it from a negative experience into a valuable learning opportunity. Instead of allowing setbacks to derail our progress, we can use them as fuel to propel ourselves forward with even greater determination and resolve.